Very last day of the year practically, and there's just the little grandkids with all their presents. There's our Christmas tree.
Okay, go for it, you guys.
Here, Mom. There's Bill and Kent and Jody. They're all standing by the fire.
Oh, here's one for Hayden.
Here's Jody and Mom.
They're non-caloric.
Come here, Laura.
That's part about
Yes.
Oh, good work. Okay, Lizzie, let's find one for you.
I just opened one.
Oh, out with the band.
All right, one for you. What is this?
Here's what's left of our Christmas breakfast. Should have gone to that first.
You think those are fruit, Joe?
Oh, how big are they?
They look huge.
Well, if they don't, they will soon.
Oh, you like that box? Oh, you're the presents.
I got it.
Yeah, but you know,
gosh,
you can't come out here.
What's that walking in front of the camera?
Oh, this is a big one. You like that?
Battery operated locomotive.
Did you put these in here?
Oh, Eric, isn't this great?
Isn't that dark? You like that? You like that? It's long sleeve?
I couldn't have.
Okay. How's Eric doing? Eric,
Thanks, Nora.
Lauren, come here. Lauren. She wants to come over with Holly.
Look, Eric, it's got a
Lauren.
truck.
well, maybe we should sit over there.
Oh, boy. Climb onto you.
Wowie, zowie. Yeah, I know. Just fine. We need something to open this with.
Need a knife?
Or a bill. A knife.
No, sorry.
There's a scissor out in the kitchen.
Grandpa putting everything away.
Oh, you got some books.
To Grand the cat. Are you going to open anything?
I haven't opened anything yet. I'm getting us a record of all these great things that's going on.
That's very nice.
There's little Lauren just having a good time. I think she's going to like this one.
Wait. Hey, here's one for you guys. Wow. Got all the friends.
Lauren, look at Grandma. Lauren, 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 look up at me, honey. Give me a big smile. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma Cat.
You're going to like it,
It's for
guys.
the Balkans to us. What it is?
Oh, wow. What is it?
Oh, look.
Oh, you got plenty of tools.
Is that a screwdriver or something? A what?
That's some kind of
This is
gun.
that.
I think everybody thought that I
That was a sequential program. There's something else.
Clean out the attachment plate.
Oh, all right.
Is that what you want, Elizabeth? What is
You like
it?
that?
Yeah.
It's
Elizabeth,
a
what,
Miss Kitty kit.
what does a Miss Kitty Kit do?
A breast
Oh,
pump?
let's see.
Oh,
Breast. It's a squirt gun.
No, it's
You're
not
on
a squirt
television, Bruce, and all those things are coming through.
Oh, it's a bird feeder.
all right.
Here's Bill with his big one.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Thank you.
Oh, boy.
Oh, hooray.
Now you can have VCRs, and I've given you a couple of tapes.
Wow.
How do you like that, Elizabeth?
Huh?
Now you can watch your little... I think we left
I want a stereo remote. Thank.
Hey, or Eric, can
Can
you
you say
say that?
thank you, Santa?
one without a ticket on.
Okay, give me a big smile,
Bill
Eric.
from Pat. Yeah, this is Bill.
What is this? A Corvette. I wonder how it got in here.
Boy. Move, move, move,
Can you see it at all? Can you see it through the box there?
Yeah, it's right here.
I mean, is it all put up and everything?
That's our pile. All our stuff. Yeah, Jody just gave it to us because they already have
A big one.
the other one. Your Mary Poppins thing's right there.
There it is. What color is it? Red?
Throw it downstairs.
Does that look like fun or what?
There's a steering wheel. Eric, there's one just like it. But You know how are we gonna eat these home?
Oh, whoa, whoa, Lizzie. Sorry.
You know,
Eric, you have one too, just like it out there.
Eric, you got one too. No, she gave me for my birthday.
There's another one, Eric.
Yeah.
Oops, don't want to lose the decal.
If we're going to put them all together.
You can, Hayden, you can get a lot of your toys and put it in there and go for a ride. Won't that be fun? You know what that car does?
They need to read the instructions and put it together.
It runs all by itself.
Eric, this is your car. Eric, your car's just like that.
So get it out, Mom.
You don't have an electric screwdriver, do
Little
you?
Lauren's car.
Did you get it electric? You've been busy.
Should we do this one for little friend?
Yeah, let's do this one. How do they come out?
How'd you get yours?
I was almost going to buy her one without the hood, and then I thought, well,
No, I think she likes
when she's out in the sun in the summer, she'll be glad she's got the hood.
I think she likes the hood.
Howard? You bet.
Oh,
These are so cool, Bill. The problem is they'll drive them around the street.
I know. Don't get it to drag.
Says you can do it.
Grace is here.
This is Jody with her little Hayden after he's had a busy Christmas day. Harry, go get in your little car again, will you? I want to see you riding in it. Take a trip. Bye-bye to everybody.
take a drive in your car. The parking lot here. The new car lot at Pat Williams.
Well, we'll see you later, Eric. Say goodbye to Grandma.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye, Eric.
Bye-bye, Buzz.
Bye-bye.
Have a safe trip.
Okay, bye.
Say bye-bye to Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Eric. See you soon.
Bye-bye, Grandpa Kid. Bye-bye, Grandpa Kid.
He's in the kitchen.
Well, why don't you start off now? Come on, start.
Where are you going?
Bye-bye, Grandpa Kid.
Don't say that.
Lakers always.
Oops, sorry, Mom. I was gonna say, how about it, Harry? Get in your car and let's see you drive it. Cameron. Can you give me a big smile and a wave bye-bye? Hayden? Hayden?
Can you wave at
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look at Grandma and wave goodbye.
Daddy. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to Grandma.
Bye-bye, Eric.
Bye-bye,
Say bye-bye.
Hayden. Bye-bye, Hayden.
Bye, Hayden.
Bye-bye, Hayden.
This is what happened while we were in having our breakfast this morning. All this snow. That's Bruce's four-wheel car covered with snow. Boy, I have never seen so much snow, and it's still coming down. As the weatherman said, it's a good day to stay inside and play with your toys.
You like that fire truck here?
After, Bill, after we left, what did happen? Do you remember what they did with the rifle? Remember I cast it to you as right as they did?
Dad, look at Dad.
They played with
Hey, hooray,
The long one?
hooray, hooray, bye-bye, hooray, hooray.
Now what about the SWORD?
That's next.
Oh, there's the scabbard. Where's the... Oh,
Buddy, just glad to
you're
have you.
getting assaulted.
ask us
Just
a
in
question,
case-
get your picture taken.
Just
Is that
in
it?
case you didn't know you were going to get filmed, there you are.
I know.
What a good-looking outfit. And Bruce gave you that, you say?
Yeah, with my
Look at Dad.
mother badges on.
Oh,
Your mother.
I've got one here. I got
Yeah,
a daddy.
So do you want to go tomorrow and fix your present?
December 25th, 1938, and this is probably the biggest snowstorm we've had in a while. Bruce and Bill are helping. Hey, look at the camera, honey. Hayden, let's see your face. Why don't you get out there, Eric, so I can watch you? Eric, get out where the